Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Hey guys, it's Marilyn. Welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this, give this video a like below. Really appreciate it. So today, as you can see, I don't know what I'm going to title this, honestly. I'm still figuring that out. But it's going to be another Tubebuddy video. So if you haven't seen the last Tubebuddy video I did, it's going to be up in the card and it's also going to be in the description box. I would say it makes sense to watch that video first so you kind of get an understanding of what Tubebuddy is, how to download it, and like the overview of the features, and then come back and watch this video, or you can watch this video first. I don't really care, just as long as you, but actually no, watch this video first. I need my watch time because y'all aren't gonna come back. So basically, after I used Tubebuddy for a while and I got comfortable with the interface, I got comfortable with the features, then I realized that Tubebuddy has what I personally like to call spy features. So but basically what I mean by this is that you can use Tubebuddy to not only look at your own channel, but to look at other people's channels. Obviously not as in-depth as yours because but you can look at other people's channelytics, which, you know, channel analytics from the last video, and their videolytics, which is the video analytics. And so but don't use this as a way of comparing yourself to other people, by no means. Like, oh my god, like I'm never gonna be as big as Jenna Marbles. Like, why does she get all these views? Like, I love Jenna, but it's like, obviously, like, you don't look at other people and be like, oh wow, they're doing so much better than I am. Like, we both have 200 subs, but they get way more videos. That's way more views. Like, that's not the point of this. This is to look at, okay, this is what these other people in my niche are doing, and these are things that I can be implementing so I can also be successful. Or these are people that I admire on YouTube. They do this, like, I should be doing this, and stuff like that. Not like, this isn't to tear yourself down, because come on now. What matter if you have 2 subscribers, 50 subscribers, 500, 5,000, like, as long as you're happy with the content that you're putting out, then hey, that's all that matters. But anyway, so in this video it's going to be like a screen record again and a voiceover, and I'm going to be showing you guys just kind of how I look at different channels. And by using this, I've seen things that some big channels do that small channels don't, and that small channels do that big channels don't. I feel like I've seen that big channels are a little bit more like relaxed when it comes to like always remembering to like deep things that really help your video, like detailed description, tags, keywords, and all this stuff, because they already have people. Like, if I have like 500k subscribers, I know that I'm going to be getting a good amount of people watching my videos. But also, if anyone who's ever seen at least one video on YouTube, you see that the number of subscribers usually does not equal the amount of views. And I feel like no matter how big you are, you should always be trying to get a bigger reach. So I'm just going to be looking at channels ranging from millions to 2,000 and just seeing like the different behind the scenes and how you can take that information to improve your own channel. And hey, one day maybe I'll be big balling with a K. But yeah, so if you want to see how I use this to look and learn from other people's channels, just stick around and like and subscribe. Going to be looking at Jenna Marbles. As you can see, she has over 20 million subscribers. She's been doing YouTube for a very long time. She's always on the trending page no matter what she posts, so she doesn't really need to rely on tags to get her videos seen to a larger audience. So something like me as a small YouTuber, if I was making this video, I'd be looking how to put in clip and bangs, making clip and bangs work, instead of how you see her tags are like not searchable. Next we have Alyssa Forever. She's also been doing YouTube for a while. And so this is a hairstyles video which can easily be clickable. And what I mean by clickable is something that people are going to search for. People aren't just searching for hairstyles. And some people could be looking for trendy hairstyles, but you want to make yourself stick out. Trendy hairstyles for black girls. Trendy hairstyles for natural hair, for short 4C hair, or etc. Something specific. The more specific your tags are, the better to make your video stand apart. Checking out all of Destiny, and I've been following her for about a year, and she's grown super significantly. Like, I'm so proud of her. She does like natural hair journey, nails, vlogs, like weekly vlogs. And so the video I'm clicking on is a weekly vlog, which are harder to get searched for, and she didn't really put that many tags, as you can see. And then this video is a natural hair wash day routine, which is something that is easier to rank for if you tag well, like I was speaking about in the last video that we just looked at with Alyssa Forever. So here you see that she's ranked for 3 of her tags, which is really good, like natural hair wash day routine. That's something people look for. And now we have Cosmoholics Anonymous Bo. I love her. I've been following her for maybe 3-4 years, and she has a lot of different videos and a lot of kind of series. And I feel like series videos, like her advice series, are harder to rank for. And so here you can see she's not really using the best tags to her advantage. She's tagging hair, growth, rice water as separate words. Next, we're going to be looking at the Voodoo Child, aka Naja, and I watch her religiously. I love her channel. So she's kind of similar to Bo in that she has like an advice series and she has like different like tea series and stuff like that. And so it's harder, but I chose one of her videos and you can see her tags are more like separated, like things like YouTuber, black YouTuber. No one's like, you're not going to get that. Like someone searches black YouTuber, like it's just too full of people. And so in this other video, this is one of her advice videos, but I want to show you this feature. So if you were to click on one of the tags, you can see it shows you the overall score of how that keyword is ranked. It's ranked poor, good, great. And so these are poor, like black YouTuber, like you're not going to rank for those. And in the results, you can see the top ranking channel and videos that come up if you were to search black YouTuber in the search box. Last but certainly not least is Jada Jones. She is growing fast, y'all, and she's definitely my favorite YouTuber as of late. Like she had 9.8 when this was filmed and now she has almost 10.3, and she just works so hard and she puts a lot of effort into her channel. As you can see, her tags are probably the best we've seen so far. Actual keywords that people are searching, and that's exactly how I found her channel, from this very video. So the tags work. I just want to say shout out to everyone who subscribed to her to help her get to 10K when I asked. Scarlett, Parfait, and Delilah Rose, you guys rock. And to the rest of you, I hope you enjoyed this video and stay blessed.